everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. We are starting our gardening theme this week, and that means we have a garden dramatic play area. We are continuing our big sunflowers that both our class and the 3 and 4-year-olds have been working on. I just have to attach all the petals to it. We are planting pretend flowers in the sensory bin. We are pressing pretend flowers into Play-Doh at the Play-Doh table. We have been having fun with singing flower songs and counting flowers, everything garden. And we also are still into butterflies because our butterflies are now in the chrysalis stage. So we are waiting and watching, and we can't wait till they actually come out and become butterflies. So we're kind of still in the butterfly theme and gardening. In our dramatic play area, we have a garden shop going on. And this is a packet that's on Teachers Pay Teachers. It has signs, labels, order forms. And so the children can pretend that they are selling flowers. We've got a lot of artificial flowers there for them to sort. And then you see there's our shelf with all of our different supplies. We're also looking at the different colors of the flowers, and the children in our class and in the 3 or 4 and 4-year-old class that share our classroom with us, they have been looking at the colors and drawing them. At the activity table, we have a variety of puzzles and printables. The art table, we're working on painting more petals for our big sunflower that we will put up on our bulletin board. In our sensory bin, we have terracotta pots. These are actually made for baking, so they're squishy, and so the children love holding them. And then we also have some of those over at the Play-Doh table, and the children are filling them with Play-Doh, and then I'll bring over some artificial stems that the children can then press into the Play-Doh. Circle time, we have been singing 5 Little Ducks, and we also have been using our flower props while we sing flower songs, and we have our butterfly props, and we have been working on counting to 10 with our numbered flowers, and these are a freebie that's on the website. So let me open the door and we'll have the children come in and you can see how they're interacting with the materials. Shapes on our sunflower petals for our sunflower bulletin board.
Butterflies. Tell you. One time in an upside down world, the upside down thingies were like hum.
Sure. You want to show me what a sand table is, Luke? There you go. Ooh, good one. You want to hold it or you want Casey to hold it?
Yes, our plants do need water.
Maybe that one?
I'm done.
We're giving our plants some water.
That was water. Somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Watch this. No, stir.
And they've wrapped themselves in, it's like a blanket, a chrysalis. Look through your binoculars. Do you see them?
What are you doing?
5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck said, help me say it. Quack, 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 quack. Actually, let's count them. Say, come on, ducks, come back. Come back. 1, 2. How many came back? 1, 2, 3. Is that all of her ducks, or are there more? All right, now we say it again. Come back, ducks. Comes another one. 4, 5. All right. I'll do this one. Yellow. You point to which one is yours? Orange, red, blue, yellow, purple. Quiet sticks. And rain. And rain. And done. In the big activity room today. And there you have it. So that's how we have our classroom set up for our gardening theme. Make sure to subscribe to Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds on YouTube. Press that bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time I publish a new video. And watch the end of this video where I share how we use our printables, and all the links are below in the video's description. Thanks for watching. In our spring activities packet, we have some simple patterning where the children can use these tiles and then place them to make a pattern. And then older children, you can take that away and they can look at this and then make their pattern underneath, like that. In our springtime packet, we have this seed counting activity. I did these on jumbo craft sticks because they're two-sided. So they count the number of seeds and then they flip it over to see what the number is. Make sure they're right. And these go up to 10. So you start with 1, 2, 3, and so on. For younger children, you'd use maybe just go up to 5, and then you go up to 10 when you feel that they are ready. In our springtime packet, we have this sunflower counting activity. You can use real sunflower seeds and just place the number on top, or you can use something like pom-poms to put on top as well. We also have these labeled colored flower cards. And then I take the same tiles that we used for the patterning And you can make enough so that each child has one, and they can just come up and place their matching color flower right on the same card. In our spring Circle Time Props packet, we have these colored tulips. Some have the labels and some don't. And so I have put them on craft sticks so that I can hold these up, and then I make enough copies of the non-labeled tulips so that when I hold up each color, the children with that same color can hold their tulip up as well. And then we also have the smaller ones that are labeled that I use on the magnetic board. You can do the same thing, whereas you put it on the magnetic board, or if you want to use a Velcro for a flannel board, then they can hold up the matching color. In our dramatic play area, we have a guarded nursery that has signs and labels, and it has order forms. We have a pocket chart with some of the flower pictures and names. And again, this is all in our garden packet on Teachers Pay Teachers. So in the gardening dramatic play packet, we have 7 different puzzles that when you put the strips in numerical order, it makes a different picture. We also have this flower dot page, and this is in our spring dot stamping packet. I have these free flower props on the website, and I make sure to have enough so that each child has one to hold. And again, you can use these while singing flower songs or reading flower books. And we also have these numbered flower props from 1 to 10. We have this free flower coloring sheet that is on the website. Make sure to check this video's description for the links to all of these printables plus printables that were not mentioned.